Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. So today I am gonna be celebrating my best friend's birthday. So I am really sick. I do sound sick, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna just do a little montage of the whole night. We are gonna go bowling. We're gonna order some food, some drinks, have some fun time. I haven't seen my friends for a few weeks. It hasn't been this long because we did have a Friendsgiving. I don't think I recorded that, but today I'm gonna bring you guys along. Guys, this is what I look like. I am gonna be doing wing liner because I used white eyelash glue, and it looks kind of like, how it looks, kind of ugly. So this is my outfit. It's a cute blouse. I love the sleeves. They kind of curl up really cute, and I'm wearing regular jeans. I apologize, that's the clothes that I have to wash. But let me show you guys the little. So this is the little gift that I got her. If you guys are curious, I got her a little perfume. This is some good stuff. It smells really good. And I got her a candle because we love candles. This one was kind of pricey, but it smells really good. So I got her that, and I still have to go get my other friend a gift because it's two of them. I apologize, that whole big mess. I am so embarrassed by showing you guys, but I have to clean up, do some deep cleaning. I need to buy some furniture. But back to what I was saying, I have to buy my other friend Cindy a gift just because I want to just, appreciate the fact that they're my friends and that we haven't been seeing each other for a long time. They gave me gifts for my birthday and Christmas. So you know what? I feel like I owe them one. I have to go buy Cindy some stuff. I'm going to show you guys the cake right now that I got from Michelle. And I'm going to add a little touch of my own just because it looks plain and simple. Up in my bed. He doesn't want to move. He's sad. He knows that I'm leaving. But I'll take him out tomorrow. Bronzer. Yeah, you guys can see him. He's upset. This is what the cake looks like. It did kind of move. It looks messy. That was my fault, pero se mira bueno todavía. These fruit sticks, and I'm gonna use these cards and write happy birthday, like a little banner, since it looks kind of simple. Esto de aquí me cae mal, but I don't know what the hell to do with on this side. A box of chocolate that I recently bought. So you know what I'm gonna do? I los partí así en mitad, and I'm gonna add it to the side where it looks empty and see how it turns out to look hopefully really cute. This is what it looks like, you guys. It looks so much better. It looks really nice and fancy in person, guys. So this is what the cake looks like. It looks so beautiful. I added this little banner thing. I mean, it's kind of like ratchety, but you know what? It's the thought that counts. I wanted like something nice, for the cake to be there, and I made it, and it looks cute. Hello! I'm in the car already. Victor's here next to me. It looks really dark. I never had good light, but I sound sick still. But let me show you guys. I have the cake right here. And yeah, los regalos están allá atrás. I cannot talk. I'm gonna just do a little montage because I don't want to be talking. My voice is running out. I'm sorry if Cindy and Michelle watch this. We're gonna stop at the McDonald's because we're starving and traffic is so bad right now. So, see you there. Go Cindy! Go Cindy! Everybody's here. Hey, say hi to my baby. Hi. We're here to what? To celebrate Michelle's birthday. What, you guys? I'm number 2. I'm Chrissy, so I won. I won! Hey guys, so the food just got here. Thank you. So I'm gonna end my video here. It was really short and quick, but we are having fun.